Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to master eye-catching typography tricks for standout Canva cover designs? Click Create to begin. Select Presentation, then choose the specific presentation option. Next, go to the Elements tab and browse for a suitable background. Once you find one you like, select it. Drag and expand the chosen background to completely fill and cover your entire design area, ensuring a cohesive presentation slide. Drag your image onto the canvas. Now, select the Background Remover tool to delete the background. Next, click the Text tool, then click on the canvas to add your text. Type the word Transformation into the text box. Now we'll apply effects to this text. Select the text layer, then open the Effects menu. Choose a slight curve effect to gently bend the text. Adjust the curve's intensity to achieve a subtle, visually appealing result. Change the font by selecting your text. Go to the Font menu at the top of the screen. Click to open the font list, then scroll to find and select any font you like. For this example, choose Bricolage Grotesque from the options. Once selected, your text will update automatically to the new font style you picked. Next, let's add an effect to enhance our design. Go to the Effects panel, then browse through the available options. Find an effect that complements your project and select it by clicking on it. Once the effect is applied, look for the color adjustment options within the effect settings. Click on the color box to open the color picker. Change the color to white by selecting pure white from the palette or by entering the hex code FFFFF. Make sure the effect's color visibly updates on your design. If necessary, adjust any additional effect properties for the best look. Confirm your changes, then preview your design to ensure the effect appears as intended before moving on. Use your arrow key to move the text downward, positioning it exactly where you want it within the document area. Select Position from the menu, then choose Set to Back. Click the Set to Back option to move your selected element behind all others in the design, ensuring it appears at the back of your layout. Add another element to serve as our background. Select the Element tool from the sidebar, then choose a shape or image that fits your design. Click and drag to place it behind your main content. Adjust the size and position as needed to ensure it covers the entire canvas area for your background. Click on the Layer menu, then select Change to Path. This will convert the layer, allowing you to see both the text elements and the original background clearly. Ensuring this step is complete helps maintain all details needed for your next edits in the project. To save or share your design, click the Share button. Select the Download option from the menu. Before downloading, maximize the image size to ensure the best possible quality. Adjust the image resolution or dimensions if needed, then proceed to download your high-quality design to your device. Try out these creative typography cover design tips in Canva, and let me know how it goes! Like and subscribe for more design ideas.